let's talk about the history of the Linux and the philosophy of the Unix and Linux. Actually, Unix is the base operating system. Linux is a derivatives from the Unix. So Unix is a old but commonly used operating system. So Unix has lots of the version. This is known as a flavors like Debian flavor, RPM flavor. Unix is a closed source, means that closed source of the Unix is not available for you. Linux is a licensed as a open source by the GPL. Under the GPL we have discussed. Okay, and lots of the distribution can be developed for the specific purpose. These known as a distribution. And another is a closed source. Windows, you will not get the source. Mac OS, you will not get the source code. You will get the ISO image only, and you can install the operating system on your computer, but you cannot do the modification based on the source code. History, in 1969 the Unix was released, and later on in 1991 the Linux was released. But in 1981, the MS-DOS has been released. Do you know MS-DOS? CMD, command line interface. So MS-DOS was released in 1981. Okay, and another Unix release is a Mac OS. This is also based on the Unix. So you can say the Unix is a father of Linux and Mac OS, and also some other like Android, and only the MS-DOS is a different. So what are the features of the Linux operating system? Simple feature, but first is a free and open source. No license is required. There is a no fees for the licensing. You can just download, you can install, and you can use it lifetime. Security, because of the large community, because there is a lots of the organization who are working over the Linux operating system, they have developed their own operating system. So they will try to find out new types of the vulnerabilities. What do you think? In a Windows, how many the person who are developing the Windows, they will be the person who are working on the Windows? 1,000? I think maybe plus or maybe less approximately. But for the open source, there is a millions are the people who are working for a specific Linux operating system. There is a support is available based on the community and based on the vendor. Community means open source community. I can help you, you can help me, other person can help you, you can help to other person. It is called community based help. But there is some vendors who are providing the specific support. For the example, Red Hat Linux Enterprises, Red Hat, this is the organization which is providing you a paid Linux operating system and paid support. Similar, Ubuntu is available free, but support is paid. So this is the vendor based. Performance is good, stability is good, high performance and high stability. Most of the software is available for the different operating systems like Linux, Debian based, Red Hat based. Hardware, minimum hardware is required because the Linux is consuming the fewer resources, fewer RAM, fewer CPU and fewer storage like hard disk. Hardware flexibility means you don't need to install any specific type of the driver. This will widely the variety of the hardware can support to the Linux, and Linux support to the variety of the hardwares. Distribution creation, you can create your own distribution. Users means you are a user, you may create your own distribution to meet a specific needs as per your requirement. Learning curve may be higher than the graphical user interface driven.